Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. As business complexity increases, you can turn on functionality for manufacturing and service management after upgrading your plan to Premium from Essential. Premium Experience shows all actions and fields for all business functionalities such as financial reporting, sales, purchasing, and inventory management, which includes manufacturing and service management. The current role at this time is Shop Supervisor, Manufacturing Comprehensive. Notice that the main page has limited actions or menus. To enable the Premium experience, search company information from the Tell Me window and select the related link. Or you can click the Settings icon and select Company Information. Select the User Experience Fast tab and Premium Experience tier. Refresh the page. Now you have lots of actions related to manufacturing.